So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Let's take a look over at our STAX platform so far. As of today, you can see it is Wednesday, so our FlowScanner is going to already have things from earlier in the week. But we can see NVIDIA has been a bit more bullish than bearish. Of course, we've seen it make new all-time highs of this week. You see a lot of hedging though. SPY, IWM, NQQQ all have quite bearish flow, but that's, like I've said, that's fairly expected when you come to these all-time highs. You see people expecting that, you know, there may be a pullback, or there's a little bit more fear of the fact that, you know, it's gonna drop from those all-time highs. So until it's able to fully break out and clear that range, you'll definitely see some more puts than calls in those indices. Tesla fairly even, 17 to 16 mil. AMD slightly bullish, almost a 2-to-1 ratio. Silver a little bit more bullish, 11 mil to 6 mil. GLD gold very, very bullish, 14 mil to 2 mil. I will point out too, there is again quite a bit of talk of, you know, how we're gonna have to print more money to get ourselves out of the get us out of the debt spiral that we're in. And that's why you can see that these types of things, gold, silver, you've also probably noticed Bitcoin starting to go toward highs, because again, those are hedges against that type of inflation. Meta very, very bullish, 14 mil to 1 mil. But again, I will say, when it comes down to some of these top huge companies that we do have, look for larger numbers. 14 mil, it is bullish when it comes down to what we see for this week, but that's not exactly, you know, until we see 100 mil plus, that's still just fairly slight compared to what we've seen before. Bitcoin, Palantir, Google, all of these are quite bullish as well, but again, smaller amounts compared to what we've seen before. MicroStrategy as well, Coinbase, same thing. Microsoft, so you can see tech's getting a lot of money flow into it. Same with Apple down here, 2-to-1 ratio. SMH, interesting, seeing semiconductors on a little bit more of a bearish side of it, but that may be linked again to due to how we see NVIDIA going toward those all-time highs, maybe a hedge toward that downside that may come. Robinhood, 7 mil to 2 mil. Circle, 8 mil to 1.5. Alibaba, 6 to 3. HIMS, very bearish here, 9 mil to the 0.